Welcome back to HouseWire's TV channel, where we dive into the secrets and essentials of the electrician's world. Today, I've got something special for you. The formulas every electrician should know. These formulas are the building blocks of our craft, and understanding them is crucial for safe and effective electrical work. Ohm's Law, the foundation of electrical engineering. Our first formula is the legendary Ohm's Law. It's as fundamental to electrical engineering as gravity is to physics. Ohm's Law relates voltage, current, and resistance in a simple equation. This equation helps us calculate current, voltage, or resistance when the other two are known. The next formula in our toolbox is the power formula. It tells us how much electrical energy a device consumes or produces. Power, P, is equal to voltage, V, times current, I. Understanding this helps us select the right wire size and breaker for a circuit. Now, let's talk about Kirchhoff's current law. It's all about the conservation of electric charge. The sum of currents entering a junction in a circuit is equal to the sum of currents leaving the junction. It's expressed as sum I input equal to sum I out. This law helps us analyze complex circuits. Power factor. Efficiency matters. We have the power factor. It measures the efficiency of electrical equipment. It's the ratio of real power, P, to apparent power, S, often expressed as a cosine. A higher power factor means less wasted energy, which is crucial for industrial and commercial applications. Next up, let's explore series and parallel resistance calculations. When dealing with resistors in series or parallel, it's important to know how to calculate the total resistance. For resistors in series, you simply add up the individual resistances. In parallel, the formula is a bit more complex, but it allows you to find the equivalent resistance of the circuit. This understanding is invaluable when designing circuits or troubleshooting electrical problems. Next is voltage drop. Lastly, but certainly not least, let's discuss about voltage drop. Voltage drop is decrease of electric potential along the path of a current flowing in a circuit. It occurs when voltage at the end of a run of cable is lower than the beginning. Any length or size of wires will have some resistance, depends what size you choose. There is a formula as you see, or if this looks too complicated to you, you can find a voltage drop calculator online where you can get faster calculation of voltage drop for your application. In conclusion, these are the formulas every electrician should have in their mental toolbox. They empower us to design safe and efficient electrical systems, troubleshoot issues, and make informed decisions in the field. Remember, electrical work is not just about wires and connections. It's about understanding the science behind it. So, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep those formulas at the forefront of your electrical journey. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow electricians and enthusiasts. And if you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these formulas, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me through my social media channels. Your feedback and questions are always welcome. Thank you once again for tuning in. Stay curious, stay safe, and remember, the world of electrical work is full of exciting discoveries waiting for you to explore. Until next time, and see you in the next video up here.